Muntu murume kuma Nthingone Cia Koti uria kiumia kithiru athinjire ithe na nyumani kuruga nyama cia mwiri wawe na akinyithio kotini achuka muthenya wa umuthi kagitani okau na mwathuganirwa wa mange mairi makinyithio koti o inu makiringithanagua na kuragwa kwa mwari wa University ya Kiriri uria mwiri wawe wethirwe kithimani Nthingone Cia Koti wandia magumoni athuganirwa ma monde na mathiite na mbere kubingirwa ni borithi UCHUNKUNI uthiite na mbere.
James Muremi Meriti abateri kuthitangwa na uragani ara akuirikana kuraga ithe kwa rietwa Nefat Meriti Mtwareche njumaine ya kiumia kithiru ya tariki 23 mweri uju ntura ya Gyankanja wadi ya Mitheru. Hamwe na ugunde ni ya koti ya chuka mbere ya mugambithania Habat Mwendwa borithi IBAROMBETE NTUKU 14 cha kuthirikiria kurutha UCHUNKUNI bwa ekarikariri. Kuringana na mutongoria wa nthitango UCHUNKUNI bwa ekarikariri ibojokete kagita nuntu babura mwiri wa mototigi wa gitangirwe tuchunchi na kwogu ichunche bimwe mwanka emunde bitikore kuonekana.
The same is reported to have taken place on the 23rd of May 2023, and since then, Your Honor, it has not, that amount of time has not been enough, Your Honor, to number one, complete the recording of relevant witness statements. Number two, Your Honor, the body was mutilated and parts of the deceased body are still being sought after. Basically, Your Honor, the investigations are still premature, and Your Honor, a period of 14 days would allow us to tie any loose ends.
Indeni ya koti weno ara Susan Makena Murethi na Runinguge Mbaka bakinyithitwe bakiringithanagua na gikuo kia Ann Kambura wa Mweti kari gaukuruba mianka 21 karakara thomaga kosi ya Human Resource University ya Kiriri Nairobi. Kuringana na ripoti irene nkanirito kotini eno bairi baba iboba watikanite na thimu ya mututigi ura mwiri wake waethirwe urweketwe kithimani Nthingone Cia Koti wadi ya magumoni.
The murder of one Anna Kambura Mwiti, Your Honor, who was last seen on the 12th of May 2023. Your Honor, it is believed that at the time of his death, the deceased had with her a mobile phone, which was later recovered from the two respondents.
Mugambithania Habat Mwendwa na itiganirite na maromba kiri magamba mama mairi ara athuganirwe baba bonthe bakathomerwa tariki 12 mweri ujite. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Egamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.